Tap like and subscribe for more amazing stories.
Two kids, same classroom, same town, but they never spoke. Dave brought curry and rice. Teni brought jollof rice. Different food, different clothes, different worlds. At lunch, people laughed at weird food. Someone whispered about her dress. They both heard it, they both stayed quiet until one rainy afternoon. The sky turned dark, kids ran inside. Everyone except Dave, his lunchbox was still outside. He just stood there. Then suddenly, someone ran into the rain. It was Teni. She grabbed his lunchbox, got completely soaked, and handed it to him. Dave stared at her. "Why would you do that?" She smiled and said, "Because you looked like you needed someone." The next day, he sat beside her. He shared his curry. She shared her rice. And for the first time, different didn't feel strange. It felt like friendship. Sometimes all it takes is one small act of kindness.
Because you needed someone.
Oh, thanks,
To
Teni. You're the best.
Anytime.
every phase.
Good to have you as a friend.
You too, Dave.
Never spoke, never spoke, never spoke, never spoke, never spoke.